right, we've got a little puppet song. I made some bunny puppets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could make your own bunny puppets. You could use your hand, or you can make some bunnies and stick them on a little popsicle stick. Or you could just listen and sing along with me while we do this song. Here we go. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 5 little bunnies went out to play. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 1 little bunny hopped away. How many bunnies do we have now? 4. Good job. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 4 little bunnies went out to play. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 1 little bunny hopped away. Now how many bunnies do we have? 3. You're right. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 3 little bunnies went out to play. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 1 little bunny hopped away. All right, how many do we have? 2. Very good. Here we go. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 2 little bunnies went out to play. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 1 little bunny hopped away. All right, we have 1 bunny left. Hippity hop and hippity hey. 1 little bunny went out to play. Hippity hop and hippity hey. All of the bunnies have hopped away. Oh, I hope they will all come back someday. Good job, everybody.